Welcome to JCE Connect. Today we are going to solve one more problem, and this time we are going to solve the problem by long wall short wall method. First, I read the problem. The accompanying sketch gives the plan and section of the building. Estimate the quantities of following items. First one, earthwork in excavation in ordinary soil. Second one, foundation bed concrete. Third, side stone masonry. Fourth, BBM in superstructure. Fifth, plastering. It includes external, internal, and ceiling. RCC roof slab, and then steel reinforcement at 1% in slab. Now you have to estimate these quantities by long wall short wall method, and the note is given. All external walls are of 30 centimeter and all internal walls are of 20 centimeter thick. This is the plan. It is having a living room, kitchen, bath, WC, and two bedrooms with the same size, and it is having a central open space. Along with that plan, they have given two cross sections. One is for 30 centimeter wall and another one is for 20 centimeter wall. Now if you do the observations, the substructure of both the walls remains same. If you see this here, substructure of 30 centimeter wall and substructure of 20 centimeter wall remains same. Details are same. So it is having a foundation bed of 0.9 meter width and thickness of 0.115 meter. First footing is of 0.8 meter with a thickness of 0.4 meter. Second footing is of 0.6 meter with a thickness of 0.3 meter. And then it is having a plinth with a width of 0.4 meter and the total depth is 0.45 meter, where 0.3 meter is above the ground and 0.15 meter below the ground. So this is what the detail about the footings. The slab thickness is 0.15, and you can see the wall details. One is of 0.3 meter and in second cross section it is of 0.2 meter. The slab height from the floor is 3 meter. Now they have not given the proper detailings about the chhajja and proper detailings about the uh, parapet. Now here the thickness of lintel is 0.15 meter, and along with that they have given the schedules of opening. Here this side you are having door D1 with a size of 1 meter into 2.1 meter, then door D2 0.75 into 2.1, window W 2 into 1.2 meter, window W1 1.5 into 1.2 meter, ventilator V of 0.75 into 0.5. So you'll be having, see this front door D1, here you'll be having D1, here also in 20 centimeter wall also you'll be having D1. So in 20 centimeter wall you are having 4 D1s and 2 D2s and one front D1. Then you will be having 2 Ws, here one and here one, and W1, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 W1s are there and 2 ventilators are there. Here one ventilator and here also you'll be having one ventilator. Now before proceeding with the long wall short wall, now I'll clear you the thing is that, see the external wall is of 30 centimeter, then all internal walls are of 20 centimeter. Now here you have to clear the concept of long wall and short wall. Now for making it easy, what I am going to do is that I am going to divide the 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter separately, then 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter separately, and then 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter separately. I'll show you here. This the outer wall, all is 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter. So I am going to determine the center to center of this outer wall 30 centimeter joining 30 centimeter. Then I'll be taking the 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter. Here this one is there. Here this is also 30 centimeter joining 20 centimeter. Here 20 centimeter joining 30 centimeter, and here also it is 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter. So this is one group I am going to make, and then I'm going to make one more group of 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter. Now why I am doing this? See, because I want to clear the thing is that long wall short wall concept. Before previous problems we have seen that long wall means out distance, means you have to find center to center, right? See here, you have to find center to center of a longer length wall or of any wall, center to center. Then you have to add half of the particular this side and half of the particular this side, so it is going to be out, it is going to be out, so this will become long wall. Then short wall means what you have to do is that you have to take center to center of any wall, then you have to deduct half of the particular from this side and half of the particular from this side, so it becomes in to in, right? That becomes short. Long means outward, short means in to in. So what I'm going to do is that I will take these two walls as long walls and these two walls as short walls for 30 centimeter joining 30 centimeter, and remaining walls I'm going to take them as short walls only, because I have to do the deduction for remaining walls. So here see, this wall will be my short wall 1, this is short wall 2, both are same in length, and you'll be having one more short wall here and you'll be having one more short wall here. So this is 20 centimeter joining 30 centimeter walls, short walls, all short walls. Then one more section is 20 centimeter joining 20 centimeter, so these two short walls with the same length you are going to get there. So this is how the long wall short wall method will work. As I said that first you should determine the center to center distance of all the walls. Now here I have shown, see, I have named the central points, corner center points here as A, B, C and D. Then my distance is C. If I take this center to center AD, then this will be my longer wall, and BC will be my longer wall with same length. So center to center I have written here, it is 10.7 meter, right, this side, and 10.7 meter this side. So both AD and BC are same, so I'll be making them as two long walls, and I'll be having two short walls here, BC and CD. Both are my short walls for 30 centimeter joining wall 30 centimeter, right? So here the distance is 6.5, same distance you are going to have here. Now for all internal walls, see what I have did is that for all internal walls, again I have given the names here, it is E, then you will be having E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q and this L. So I have given the names for all central points. Then you have to determine the length. See this line EH and line OK are of same length, and it is of 6.5 meter center to center distance. Then FG is of 4.25. Now how I got that 4.25? See here, half of the wall thickness here 0.15, then I have added 4 meter into in distance, then half of the wall thickness here. So here you will be having 30 centimeter wall thickness, here you will be having 20 centimeter wall thickness. So half of 30 centimeter is 0.15 and half of 20 centimeter is 0.10. So that is going to be 4.25. Similarly for no that OK or EH. See here, I have shown the calculation how I got this 6.5. 6.2 is into in distance plus half of the wall thickness here. 30 centimeter wall is there, so half of that is 0.15, and 30 centimeter here, so half of that is 0.15. So it is totally 0.15 plus 6.2 plus 0.15, it is 6.5 meter. In the same way, I have got the length for this. See, this is PM is equal to QL, and the length is, I have shown the calculation here. So that is 3.2, 0.1 is this side, and 0.1 we are going to add this side. So 3 meter is the into in distance, so it is center to center is 3.2. Like that, I have determined here. See this ij here, this side it is 30 centimeter and this side it is 20 centimeter. So I have taken, see, into in is 2 meter, so here it is 0.1 plus 2 meter plus 0.15, so it is going to be 2.25. That calculation I have shown here. So this is how I have got the center to center distance of all the walls. And in much simpler way, I have only taken the center to that internal walls only, center to center distance of all internal walls, and I have shown the calculation how I got these distances here. So this will also help you to understand it in more easy way. Now as I said that first you want center to center distance to determine long walls and short walls. So in that also what I have did is that I have taken 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter separately, then 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter separately, and 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter separately. In that, see this first 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter, I have did long wall and short walls. So you'll be having two long walls and two short walls. That long walls are AD and BC, and center to center is 10.7 meter. You know, two numbers are there. Then short wall AB and CD, here the center to center is 6.5, and two numbers, uh, those short walls are there in the main outer walls. Then next I have taken is this 20 centimeter joining 30 centimeters. So we are having no see this four walls means, first I have shown here it is two walls, two short walls EH and OK, and the length is 6.5, two numbers. Then similarly, now here short wall FG, the length is 4.25, one number. Then short wall IJ, center to center distance is 2.25, one number. Why I have taken the short wall? Because these are going to be interconnected with the outer wall, and already we are constructing outer wall first, then we are going for the internal walls. It means that you have to do the deduction for all the walls, so I have treated them as all short walls. Then two walls which are directly going to be connected with 20 centimeter to 20 centimeter. So this section here it is 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter. And then I have taken two walls, see this MP and LQ, both wall are 20 centimeter to 20 centimeter, and I have treated them as short walls, and the center to center is 3.20 meters, and there are two numbers. So calculation of distance I have shown in the previous slide. So here directly I have written the sections how I have divided the lengths. Now here this part is very important, required formula. See, uh, first we are going to discuss about the 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter. Now when you are going to take the long wall, as I said that you want center to center distance, then you are going to add half of the width of particular from one side and half of the width of particular from another side. Now what you are going to do is that it means that you are taking center to center and you are adding one full width of particular, right? That what it gives you outward distance. So this is long wall. Then short wall, see, same thing you are supposed to do is that you have to deduct, see, half of the short wall from one side, right, this, and half of the short wall from another side. So I have shown you here center to center of wall, then half of the no particular width from left side and half of the particular from right side. So it is going to be, if particular widths are same, then it is center to center shorter length minus one full width of that particular. And this is the formula for short wall. It is going to be in to in. So long wall means outward, short wall means in to in. Now here this is a very interesting concept when 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter. Now all walls we are going to treat them as a short wall only. Then see how it will be. See, center to center of the wall, then minus width of 20 centimeter wall particular from one side, and minus width of 30 centimeter walls particular from another side, right? So you see here center to center, width of 20 centimeter wall, half of width of 20 centimeter wall, and half of width of 30 centimeter walls particular, right? So that this is very interesting, you have to remember this. I'll clear this thing by showing a plan here. Now if you see this, now here center to center of EH, center to center of EH, right? Then now here there is a no question when when you will be having 30 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter. Here you don't have any, because both the side you are having 30 centimeter wall only, right? Half of the width from this side and half of the width from this side. Now if you take this wall FG, now here it is important thing. Now here what you are having, here you are having, see here this side you are having half of the 30 centimeter walls particular, and here you are having half of the 20 centimeters particular, right? That you have to remember. And here also see this, if you take this IJ, here also center to center of IJ, then this side you have to deduct half of the 30 centimeter walls particular, and this side you have to deduct half of the 20 centimeter walls particular. In this problem we are having same, this ones are there, no, particulars for both the no 30 centimeter wall also you are having same footing detail, and 20 centimeter wall you are having same footing detail, so it is not going to be much change in the values. And when you will be dealing with 20 centimeters, see there is a no problem. 20 centimeter, here also you have to deduct 20 centimeter walls particular, here also you have to deduct 20 centimeter walls particular. And that's what I am showing, 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter. Here here the shorter wall, the short wall I have taken the center to center of shorter wall, uh, half of the width of 20 centimeter walls particular from one side, and half of the width of 20 meter walls particular from another side. So in general you can take it as center to center of short wall minus one full width of particular 20 centimeters particular, that you can do. Now we are going to determine the different quantities. The first quantity is earthwork excavation in ordinary soil. So what I am going to do is that as I have divided the 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter, then 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter, then 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter. Like that only I am going to derive the or determine the quantities. So first quantity is earthwork in excavation in ordinary soil for foundation. Now here I have taken 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter. In that I have taken long wall AD and BC. See, now first thing is that you have to determine the length. Now length is very important, because here length into width into depth you are going to get the quantity. So first you are supposed to determine the length, as width and depth they are given in the cross section. So first we are determining the excavation quantity. It means that right, so you have to take the width of excavation, whatever the foundation width is there, that I am going to take it as width of excavation foundation bed, right? Now we'll first discuss about the width and depth of excavation. Now if you see this portion, foundation portion here, you can take 30 centimeter walls, or you can take if you take here, now you can see that this much portion you have to do the excavation, right? It means that, see, the width is going to be 0.9 meter, and the depth is, see here, 0.15, 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.15. It means that it is 1 meter. So depth is 1 meter and width is 0.9. This you have to take. And the length is, I have shown you here, length is center to center of longer wall plus one full width of particular. So particular means one full width of 0.9, so it is 10.7 center to center, and then you will be having 0.9 width here, so that is going to be 11.6 meters. So two numbers of long walls, like no, you are having AD and BC, two numbers, then you will be having a length of 11.6, width is 0.9, and depth is 1 meter. So altogether you are having a quantity of 20.88 meter cube. Now we'll see the shorter wall, that is AB and CD. In AB and CD, see, I have shown you the calculation of length there. That shorter wall here, center to center of a shorter wall, that is 6.5 minus one full width of a particular, that is 0.9. You will be having a center line of 5.6 here. So here two numbers of short walls, 5.6 is the length, then you will be having width of 0.9, and 1 meter is the depth. So total quantity is here 10.08 meter cube. Now the second section, that is 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter wall. Here we are having two walls, EH and OK, both are the short walls. We have taken the center to center of EH and OK. If you see this, center to center of shorter wall minus width of particular of one side wall, half of one side wall, and width of particular, that is 30 centimeter walls, half of. See, this EH and OK are going to be connected in 30 centimeter wall from both the side. So it is width of 30 centimeter walls particular, half of particular from one side, and width of 30 centimeter walls particular from one side. See, I am talking about the particulars. 30 centimeter walls particular means that foundation detail of 30 centimeter walls particular you have to take, not the 30 centimeter, right? So here I have shown that. See here, center to center is 6.5, then point 0.9 from one side and point 0.9 from one side, it is going to be 5.6. So that you have to take. So 5.6 is the length here, 5.6, two numbers into 5.6 into 0.9 into 1, it is 10.08 meter cube. Similarly here, now see this FG, it is having no the criteria. See here, for FG it is one side 30 centimeter wall is there and another side 20 centimeter wall is there. So we are going to deduct 30 centimeter walls particular from one side and 20 centimeter walls particular from another side. So it is 4.25 minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2, it is 3.35. So the shorter wall length, so it is going to be 1 into 3.35 into zero point 0.9 into 1 meter, so it is altogether 3.015 meter cube. The one more shorter wall, that is IJ, it is also having the same case, that it is one side it is having 30 centimeter wall and another side it is having 20 centimeter walls details. So here also the same thing is that, see that center to center of shorter wall here IJ is 2.25 minus zero point 0.9 by 2 minus zero point 0.9 by 2. See here, this zero point 0.9 is of 30 centimeter walls detail and this zero point 0.9 is of 20 centimeters wall detail. Both the foundations are same, so we are having 0.9 by 2, 0.9 by 2. So here shorter wall length is 1.35 meter. So 1 into 1.35 into zero point 0.9 into 1 meter, so it is 1.215 meter cube is the quantity. Now the third section, that is 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter, we are having two walls MP and LQ. So here the length of MP and LQ are center to center of 20 centimeter wall minus one full width of 20 centimeter wall. See here, we are going to take, how we are going to take, see, center to center of wall and this side half of the walls particular and this side half of the particular. If both the particulars are same, here also say you are having 0.9 by 2 and here also you are having 0.9 by 2, it means that you are going to deduct one full width there, so that I have taken here. See, that is one full width from no that 20 centimeters particular, so it is 3.20 minus zero point 0.9, so it is going to be 2.30. So two numbers into 2.30, zero point 0.9 into 1, so it is going to be 4.14 meter cube. Now if you take the total quantity, so total quantity of earthwork excavation is 20.88 plus 10.08 plus 10.08 plus 3.015 plus 1.215 plus 4.14, that altogether equals to 49.41 meter cube. Now if you compare this quantity with our previous problem, that same problem we have solved by center line, so both the quantities are same. Now the second item, that is providing and placing bed course, that is bed concrete 1:4:8 in the foundation. Again you are supposed to divide the 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter. Same criteria you are supposed to follow. See, the length is not going to be changed, right, because width is same, only thing is that thickness is going to change. See here, it is 0.15, 0.15, right, so thickness is going to be changed, length is going to be same here. So here again I have shown that how to get the length center to center of a longer wall plus one full width, that is 10.7 plus 0.9 is 11.6 meter. Here also shorter wall you are supposed to do the deduction, so that is center to center of a shorter wall minus one full width of particular, that is 6.5 minus 0.9, that is 5.6. So here we got 2 into 11.6 into 0.9 into 0.15, it is 3.13 meter cube. Then here for shorter wall, two numbers, 5.6 into 0.9 into 0.15, it is 1.51. Now here 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter, same thing will be here. You can see that for the wall EH and OK, you'll be having the same length as that of previous quantity what we have seen in the excavation, that is 6.5 minus half of it from one side, half of it from another side, so it is 5.6 here the total length. So here you'll be having short wall, see two numbers, 5.6 is the length, zero point 0.9 into 0.15, so it is 1.15 meter cube. Similarly here you can see that short wall FG, here you will be having one number, length is 3.35, 0.9 is the width, and 0.15 is the thickness. So you are having 0.45 meter cube is the quantity. The length, see, as I said that one side it is having 30 centimeter walls criteria, another side it is having 20 centimeter walls footing details. So all the thickness are same, so there is a no problem. So it is S is equal to 4.25 minus 0.9 by 2 minus 0.9 by 2, it is S is equal to 3.35 meter. Similarly here for IJ, you will be having the center length is 1.35. So altogether here it is 1.35 into 0.9 into 0.15, you are getting 0.18 meter cube. Now this is what the quantity is for 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter wall. Now the next section is that 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter. Now here you can see that 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter, we are having two short walls, that is MP and LQ. Then you will be having the length, here I have shown you that length, that is 3.20 minus zero point 0.9, that is going to be 2.30. So here it is 2 into 2.30 into 0.90 into 0.15, so it is going to be 0.62. Now altogether the total quantity is here 3.13 plus 1.15 plus 0.45 plus 0.18 plus 4.14, so altogether it is 7.4 meter cube. Now the third item is providing and constructing SSM in cement mortar. So here you will be having first footing, second footing, and third footing, that is plinth. Now I will be showing you the footing details. Now here you can see that first footing width is 0.8 and thickness is 0.4. Second footing width is 0.6, thickness is 0.3. Third footing, that is plinth, you will be having width is 0.4 and thickness is, see that 30 centimeter above the ground and 15 centimeter below the ground, so it is 0.45 meter is the height or depth of third footing, that is plinth. Now here for first footing, see 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter, so you are having AD and BC as long walls, so we have got the same criteria you are supposed to use, that is center to center plus one full width. So you will be getting 11.5 meter here, so two numbers into 11.5, width is 0.8 and thickness is 0.4, so you will be having 7.36. Similarly you are supposed to deduct one full width for the shorter wall, so here you are going to have 6.5 minus zero point 0.8, so you will be having 5.7 meter uh, length of a shorter wall. So the quantity is 2 into 5.7 into 0.8 into 0.4, that equals to 3.46, that is 3.648 meter cube quantity. Similarly 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter for the first footing, you will be having the quantities, see here 3.64, and here it is, see for shorter wall FG you are having 1.104, and shorter wall IJ you will be having 0.46 meter cube, and for 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter you will be having the quantity of 1.47 meter cube. Altogether the first footing quantity is 7.36 plus 3.64 plus 3.64 plus 1.104 plus 0.46 plus 1.47, so altogether it is 17.70 meter cube. You can cross verify with the previous problem also what we have solved by center line method. Similarly here for second footing, that is width of 0.6, see you're supposed to take center to center for longer wall, plus you're supposed to add one full width, it is going to be 11.3, and for short wall you are supposed to deduct one full width, that is 6.5 minus 0.6, it is 5.9. So that I have did here the same way I have did for remaining 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter joining 20 centimeter. So the quantities are, see here, this is 4.07, 2.12, here 2.12, this is 0.65, this is 0.30. So altogether Now altogether you are having a quantity of 10.20 meter cube. In the same way, see for third footing, that is plinth, also see it is having a width of zero point 0.4, so you are supposed to add one full width in the longer wall and you are supposed to deduct one full width in the shorter wall. So you'll be having 11.10 here, see two numbers, 11.10 into zero point 0.4 into 0.45. 0.45 is the thickness of that particular plinth, so the quantity is 4 meter cube. And for shorter wall AB and CD, the quantity is 2.20 meter cube. In the same way, I have got the quantity for 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter. So here these are the quantities. You can easily understand if you go through the calculation once, and then 20 centimeter joining 20 centimeter wall. Here it is 1.01 meter cube. So altogether the total quantity is 10.45 meter cube. Now if you take the total sum of SSM in foundation, means net quantity of SSM in foundation is, here it is 17.10, that is 10.20, 10.45, altogether it is 38.35. Here I have shown that 38.35 is the SSM in foundation. Now this is very important item that what we are going to solve here, providing and constructing BBM in cement mortar 1:6 for superstructure. Again I have divided the same way I'm using here, that is 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter separate section, 20 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter separate section, and 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter separate section. So here see that all 30 centimeter wall joining 30 centimeter, so I have taken this, so center to center, see of a longer wall, that is AD and BC, plus one full width I have added 0.3, so it is going to be 11 meters. So 2 into 11 meter into 0.3 into 3 meters, 3 meter is the height of floor, so it is going to be 19.8. Similarly for shorter wall, see center to center distance you have to take and you have to do the deduction, one full width you have to deduct. So center to center of shorter wall is 5.6 and one full width 0.3 meter I am going to deduct here, so it is 6.2 meter. So two numbers into 6.2 into 0.3 into 3 numbers, so it is 11.16 meter cube. Now for this shorter wall EH and OK, see here 6.5 minus 0.3 by 2 minus 0.3 by 2, it is 6.20 something here, and then that we are going to get the length here 6.20, two numbers into 0.2 into 3 meter height, so altogether you are having 7.50. Now here if you come to the next line, that is FG, here it is very important. Now see that this FG line, so one side it is going into the 30 centimeter wall and one side it is going to the 20 centimeter. So I have taken here, see half of the 20 centimeter wall once I have taken and half of the 20 centimeter wall once I have taken. So that is, see the length is 4 meter, so 4 into 0.20 into 3, so here thickness I have taken 0.20, here also thickness I have taken 0.20, because all these are 20 centimeter walls. So the quantity is 2.40. Similarly here the quantity is 1.20. Now here also this quantity, see IJ is also same, it is one side it is going into the 30 centimeter wall and one side it is going into the 20 centimeter wall, so half of the particular you are supposed to take here. So here 2.25 minus 20 by 2, here minus 30 by 2, so it is 2 meter. So the quantities here 7.50, 2.40 and 1.20. Now the next 20 centimeter wall joining 20 centimeter, see here both side you are having 20 centimeter width, so one full width I am going to take here center to center minus one full width, so that you can see 3.2 minus zero point 0.2, so it is going to be 3 meter. So two numbers into 0.3 into 0.2 into 3 meter is the height, so altogether it is 3.6 meter cube is the quantity here. Now the total BBM in superstructure is, if you add 19.8, 11.16, 7.50, 2.40, 1.20 and 3.6, altogether it is 45.66 meter cube. Now altogether if you see the BBM quantity, now in that it is total quantity, so we have to do the deduction for the opening. So here we are having one D1 opening in 30 centimeter wall, then we'll be having, see this D1 here, 1 2 3 and 4 D1s in 20 centimeter wall, 2 D2s in 20 centimeter wall, then we are having opening of two windows, big window, larger windows, so is W and W, and then we are having W1 opening here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 numbers of W1. Then we have to do the deduction for ventilators 1 and 2 ventilators. Along with this, we have to do the deduction for lintel. So deductions are same as that of what we have did in previous problem for center line method. So here see one number, size is 1 meter and the height is 2.1, the width is 0.3. So it is one door in 30 centimeter wall. That's why we have taken width as 0.3. The quantity is 0.63. Now the second is a door in 20 centimeter wall. You will be having D1 4 numbers and D2 2 numbers. So that D1 4 numbers, see that size is 1 meter into 2.1 is height, but the D1 is in 20 centimeter wall, so I have taken width as 0.2. So the quantity is 1.68. Similarly here, two numbers of D2 0.75 into 0.20 into 2.1, it is 0.63. Now window openings W, larger windows, two numbers, the size is 2 into 1.2 and it is in wall 30 centimeter wall, so it is 0.3 is the width, the quantity is 1.44. Similarly W1 9 numbers into 1.5 into 0.3 into 1.2, so the quantity is 4.86. And the ventilators, two ventilators are there and the size is 0.75 into 0.3 into 0.50, the quantity is 0.22 meter cube. And I have taken the lintel, I have taken the total running lintel, running length I have taken in spite of calculating separately, so I have taken it as running lintel, else again it is going to be, no, it is going to be expand for a couple of pages and couple of minutes. So no, I have taken the running lintel, so total length I have taken, then it is 1.554 and that 20 centimeter is of 0.73 meter cube. Last class we have discussed this, how we have got this, so again I am not going to discuss that. Then the total deduction is 11.73 meter cube. Now the net quantity of BBM is 45.66 minus 11.73, so it is 33.90 meter cube. It is same as that of center line method. Now we are going for the next item, that is providing and applying plastering of 12 mm thick cement in cement mortar 1:6, external plastering, internal plastering and ceiling plastering. See, one thing that I want to clear is that if you take any method, long wall, short wall or center line, the plastering quantity, flooring quantity and painting quantity, soling quantity or flooring quantity, these quantities are not going to change, they will remain same as it is. So here what I have did is that I have taken the total out length, this plus this plus this plus this, so that total out length is, here I have got that 35.6 into height I have taken 3.15. So this much height only I have taken, I have not considered chajja or I have not considered the parapet, this also I have not considered, this also I have not considered. So only 3.15 I am going to take, the quantity is 112.14. Then no, the comment I have written that I don't have any detailing about the chajja and parapet, so that I am not going to consider. So totally I am going to take the height only 3.15 meter. Then I have to do the deduction for door D1. One number is there, front door into the main wall. Then I'll be having windows, two windows. Then W1 9 windows. Then ventilator V 2 ventilators. So this much deduction I have to do for external plastering. And here the total deduction will be of 23.85 meter cube. So sorry, it is meter square, so 23.85 meter square. So it is meter square quantity. The net quantity of external plastering is 112.14 meter square minus 23.85 meter square. So altogether the total net of external plastering is 88.29 meter square quantity. Now internal plastering, see, you have to take all rooms plus open space. Now before going to all the rooms, I have shown the calculation here for the open space. Now this open space you can see here, width is given in the plan, that is 3 meter, one side is of 3 meter. Only thing is that you have to determine this side, right? So that I got here 6.2, total is this 6.2. Then 2 meter you have to deduct from this side and 2 meter you have to deduct from this side. Along with that you have to deduct the wall thickness, this wall thickness and this wall thickness. Then you will be getting the distance, so that is going to be 1.8 meter. So the size, that opening size is 1.8 into 3 meter. Now I'll go to the room wise. So first, see, two bedrooms are there. The total length, how to get this total length? See, 3 by 4 is the size, so 3 meter plus 4 meter I have did into two numbers. So one side 3 plus one side 4 into two numbers, it is going to be 14 meters. So total length is 14 meter into 3 meter is the height, so it is 84 meter square. Similarly for kitchen it is 30 meter square, for bath it is 21 meter square, for WC it is 19.8 meter square, for living room it is 55.2 meter square, and for passage it is 28.8 meter square. Now altogether you are having the quantity of 238.8 meter square. Now in detail I discussed about these things in last problem also, so I am not going in depth. So you please refer the last problem if you are having any doubt, or you can call me at any time. You're supposed to do the deduction for internal plastering also. Now see here, this door is there, and this door's one side only you are supposed to deduct, right? And this, see this D1 4 number which are there inside, so you are supposed to deduct two faces, this side one face and this side one face. Similarly for D2 also, see, you are supposed to deduct two faces, right? This side one face and this side one face. And for remaining windows, one side face only you have to deduct, as we have taken the external plastering, so you are supposed to deduct one side window only, right? So that I am going to show in detail. Now here, see, I have shown the deductions. So front door D1 will be one number one side, then size you have to take 1 into 2.1, so it is 2.1 meter square. So all four D1s inside the wall, right? So that four numbers are there, both side you have to take two sides into 1 into 2.1, so it is 16.8 meter square. D2s, two numbers of D2s are there, both side you have to take two numbers, two sides, 0.75 into 2.1, so it is 6.3. Similarly for windows also, see here, for all windows you are supposed to take one side and then multiply the number and size, so you'll be getting the deduction for windows. Similarly for ventilator also you have to go for the deductions. So total deduction is here 46.95 meter square. So altogether the sum is 238.80 minus 46.95, so it is 191.85 meter square is the deduction. Now the ceiling plastering is the room size you have to take. See here, bedroom two numbers are there, room size is 3 into 4, so you'll be having 24 meter square is the quantity. Kitchen one number, 2 into 3 meter is the size, 6 meter square is the quantity. Bath one number, 2 into 1.5, so it is 3 meter square is the quantity. WC one number, 2 into 1.3, it is 2.6 meter square is the quantity. Living 6.2 into 3 is the width, so it is 18.6 meter square is the quantity. And passage 1.8 into 3, it is 5.4 meter square quantity. So altogether the ceiling quantity is 59.6 meter square. Now the total net quantity of plastering is external plastering plus internal plastering plus ceiling. So altogether we are having 339.74 meter square is the net quantity of plastering. Now the last two items, here it is roof slab. We have supposed to determine the roof slab here. Now so you have to take out distance, right? Here out is 6.8, here it is out is 11, so 11 into 6.8, thickness of slab is 15 centimeter, that's 0.15. So altogether you will be having the size, the quantity is 11.22 meter cube. This is meter cube quantity, so the quantity is 11.22 meter cube. Now the next is you are supposed to determine the tall steel, right? Tall steel bars in RCC slab at 1%. This percentage, now this is very important, this percentage they have given, they have mentioned this percentage. And if this is not given, in last class also I have said that you can go for the standard percentage available into the textbooks. So I am referring, for footing it is 0.5%, for column it is 1.5%, for beam it is 1%, for roof slab it is 0.8, and for chhajja and sunset it is 0.5%. But in this problem they have given it as 1%, so I'll be going with that 1% only. So 1% quantity of slab, that whatever the concreting quantity I am having here, that is 1.22 meter cube. Then density of steel, so I'll be using that density 7.89 tons. right? So the quantity is, see, 1% into 1% into 1.11.22 into 7.889, sorry, 7.85, so it is 0.88 tons. So this is the steel quantity. That's all from my side. I'm Professor Basab Jamadar. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.